Dear students, very good morning to all of you. Today I will deliver you this audio lecture on the importance of global communications in the world today. You know, communication is the word that connect to people with each other. And in modern time, communication is really very important, and to be success in organization, maybe in the academic as well as corporate or national or international world, communication plays its importance role. So finally I can say communication is an art, or sometimes it is a game. To win the battle, to win the situation, to win the hearts of people, or to win the scenario from negative to positive. The importance of global communication in the world today is really very demanding, as well as connecting to the people with each other. See, in a globalized world, effective communication is a necessity of modern time when friends, relatives and colleagues need to reach all corners of the world. It is easy to see the importance of global communications in the world today. Whether you need to connect from one nation to another, or one person to another person sitting in the corner of one country to another country, we are supposed to communicate in a channel or in the medium where one could deliver its view to another with a fruitful and positive result. The connection between sender and receiver in modern time depends upon the way of communication or the content which we are delivering to each other. Now these activities are creating very positive and supportive environment in the country and the world, connecting to people from one to another to make this world a family, or I can say a global family. It is also important in national and international political relations, psychological, social as well as communicative unity between people from one to another nation. It is important in national and international academic field as well as business. In a business environment, there is more to communication than just to opening up Skype and connecting to the people from one to another side of the planet. Learning the importance of global communications and implementing effective communications policies are key to helping a global communication thrive in this new world. See, global communication is not only the interaction between two employees with your organization. The first step in achieving effective communication is to know your audience. Your entire company profile and history is available to the whole world at the click of a button, making you a sting duck if you are not prepared. If you are not, your company couldn't wind up as the next viral sensation. Communication with your customers, your suppliers, your stakeholders and many other stakeholders all factors into the global equation. Proper handling of customer complaint can be just as important whether it is sent to company headquarters or at a local store. One incentive comment could win up being viewed by millions on Twitter. Company owners have to be kept informed about the status of the business, and employees have to be able to be in constant contact in order to reach deadlines. Even governments need to be involved in your communications strategy, and having a good one can save you a big headache. So the communication ultimately I can say plays important role in the company working profile as well as the organization wherever you are. See, affecting the true meaning of global communications would be the intercultural factor now that we expect to do business on multiple connections. Understanding the language and culture different between two people can bridge gap and make business transitions much smoother. Even within Europe, making sure your organization understands the business customs of Spain versus Germany will help grow your business. And in a globalized world, it is absolutely important and useful when analyzing the change in global communication. Technology is by far the biggest factor. There have been many changes in technology and something new seems to develop every single day. But just because communication has gotten faster and easier doesn't mean that it is always a good idea to implement. Video conferencing is a great way to have face-to-face communication while separated by thousands of kilometers. Without the need for traveling, video conferencing can instantly and vastly improve your internal and external communications over what can be done with a phone call. But installing a video conference network can be very costly. Is clear and visual communication a necessary worth such an investment, or is it just a nice to have? How do you go about making a decision like this? These are just a few of the many issues that affect global communications in a daily basis. And within ever-growing globalized world, the importance of global communication becomes more evident every year. Studying a master's in communication can help prepare you to understand how to tackle the various issues and make decisions on your communications strategy. With thorough study of the core concept and specific examples, you will be able to cope with the ever-changing world and be ready to guide your organization to new heights in the global world. As far as today's scenario is concerned, communication is playing its important role by connecting people in different fields like business, education, medical, political, psychological, as well as behavioral skills of the people from one to another nation. Communication is that factor which is affecting to people by understanding the culture of each other as it is known, the cross culture, and people from one nation to another are adopting the goodness of culture of different nation and trying to make this world a family or a global family to each other where people from one nation to another nation can migrate happily, easily, without any fear and disturbance. When communication will be good between two nations, I hope it will be helpful to remove the boundary areas as well as doubt and suspect as well as fear in hearts of each other towards the people of the nation or internationally to make this world a global as well as an easier planet for everyone. Communication can play a very good role to connect people by their culture, by their tradition, by their day-to-day life and routine activities. By that, people want to be associated to each other. So in this audio lecture, dear students, I want to tell you, when you are learning about your subject communication, please try to learn that really where are certain areas where their communication is very important and it is playing its important role to make this global a family for each other, to make this world a family for each other where people of one nation could migrate fearlessly in another nation. I hope after listening this you will be able to complete your assignment which I have given you in your today class, that the role of communication to make this world a family for each other. Thank you very much. God bless you all.